Hello everyone, today we will discuss a bit more about Excel. Today we will be discussing about custom list, fill handle, flash fill, autofill, active cell, cell pointer and all. So what are custom list? Custom list helps us to sort data based on user's choice. Data like from A to Z, high to low, increasing or decreasing, and we can also make our own custom list to sort the data as we desire. Let us start with a simple example. So here, this example is an autofill, and you can see automatically the Excel fills up a arithmetic series. Similarly, Excel also fills up the months of a year. So this is a custom list. So here we will talk about predefined custom list, and we will also see how to create our own custom list. So the first example that we have seen is a autofill. So how does the autofill work? This feature actually helps us to quickly fill a predefined list or an arithmetic series. Like as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's an arithmetic series. Also, now let us see flash fill. So what is flash fill? Flash fill is also similar to autofill. It is a feature that recognizes the data pattern and fills the data series in the column. For example, let us take a separate number 2, 4. So in between these two numbers, the gap is 2. So let us fill up, and you can see in all the numbers the differences between each of the numbers is 2. So here this feature, which is also known as flash fill, recognizes the data pattern and fills the data series in the column. How do we autofill or how do we flash fill? And let us see. So here you can see this cell is an active cell. And how can you understand? Because it has a cell pointer. The cell pointer is the highlighted cell boundary that specifies which cell is active. So by seeing this cell boundary, you can understand that this is an active cell. So similarly, as we have talked about selecting multiple cells in our earlier video, simply click on any cell and do not let go of your left mouse button and simply drag it out. And this black box in the bottom right corner of an active cell is called fill handle, which is very much important for us to use autofill and flash fill. So first let us go through simple flash fill and patterned flash fill. First type a number, tag two numbers, then select both of them, then take the cursor to the fill handle and simply drag it down, and that is how first example it is done. A simple flash fill is done. Now let us see, for example, say a multiple of 2. So 2 and 4, select both of them, take your cursor to the fill handle, drag it down, and you can see the numbers are all multiples of 2. Now if you want a series of multiples of 5, then type 5, 10, select both of them, take your cursor to the fill handle, click and drag it down, and then you will find the series of multiples of 5. Now let us see how do we create our own custom list. But before that, let us see, this is a predefined custom list. Similarly, this is a predefined custom list. This is a predefined custom list. This is also a predefined custom list. So here what you basically do is simply you type in a name, say for example Monday, then you take the cursor to that fill handle, then you simply drag it down and you will get the predefined custom list, because it is already mentioned in the Excel that after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday will come automatically after January, February, March, because that list is already predefined in the Excel. So now we will see how to create our own custom list. So for that we need to click on the file button, then we need to click on the options, then after clicking on the options we will click on advanced, then we will scroll down and we will find this option called edit custom lists. Then simply click on edit custom lists. Here we can see that there are some predefined custom lists. Now if we want to create our own custom list, then we will click on this option, new list. Then here we will type, say for example, red, yellow. I'm creating a list of colors, pink, blue, green, and orange. Add, and here you can see that my custom list has been added. Now we press on the OK button again, and now let us see whether our custom list shows up or not in the Excel. Red, cursor to the fill handle, drag it down, and yes, it works. Let me try from the middle, and yes, it works just like, and you will see that it works. So the custom list basically works from the middle, from anywhere. It does not have to begin from the first word that is present in the list. It can begin from any of the word that is present within that list. So with that, we conclude our custom list autofill /fill chapter.